Hey guys, I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm so super excited to be doing the second update in my Project Pan Roulette. This is the Roulette Pan Collab series that Alexi and I started well over a year ago, and now it's a huge collaboration both on Instagram and on YouTube with so many people doing project pans and just making amazing progress on their collections, and it's just been so much fun. So I'm so excited every time I get to sit down and film one of these updates because it's just, I don't know, it's just been a really cool experience for me, and it's just a lot of fun. And you guys definitely have to go over and check out Alexi's channel. I'm so excited to see her progress in this project. And of course, I'm gonna have the playlist linked both in the cards and in my description box. I can't wait to see how everyone else is doing on this project. I can't wait to just binge watch for like an entire night everyone's updates today. So I'm so excited about this project pan. I'm so excited to just hop in and share with you guys my progress. Not great progress like last month too. I chose some really difficult products this round. The first item I selected was for the category a product you bought because of YouTube. I chose my ABH contour kit. This is in the light to medium range, and I chose this shade right here specifically. This is the banana shade, which is a yellow toned powder. I haven't been reaching for this on an every single day basis. Sometimes it's just a little bit of an extra step for me to do like a brightening powder because this doesn't set down my concealer under my eyes like a loose powder does. So I just use this more as an additional brightening kind of step where it's the most purple under my eyes and like just on the edges of my nose. But it's something I don't reach for on an everyday basis. So my progress hasn't been as great as I kind of anticipated that it would be. That being said, I'll be happy with any amount of progress by the end of this project because this was just going unused in my collection. So I am happy to just be working on it and reaching for it, and it means that I'm getting closer to getting it used up and out of my collection. So regardless, it is good progress being made. I know I'll be super close at the end of this project. I just don't think I will be able to finish it up. My next pick was the category an old favorite, and for that I chose my Essence Silky Touch blush. This product I had already repressed because I did have it in a project pan in the past, so of course it was much more loosely pressed, and yes, at the beginning of this project it looked like a very full pan, but it was very loosely pressed and there's very little product left in it. And I'm super excited to share with you guys my progress this past month. As you can see, I used up a lot of this product. There is very little left in here, and it's only gonna take me another week to push this out of my collection, get this completely used up. This will be my first pan of blush that I've ever like completed in its entirety, and I'm so excited about that. So I know this isn't like completely done yet, but I will roll something in just because I'm thinking this will be done in a matter of days, and this is the 2nd of January that I'm actually filming this, so by the 5th it'll be so close to done. I'm not wearing it today, and I wish that I had worn it today, but I did this bold lipstick bingo today, so I just didn't feel like it really suited the look. But if I had worn it today, there'd even be so much more progress to show you guys. But I know it'll be done within a week's time, and so I'd rather just roll something else in so that I'm not only focusing on 5 products in this project. I'm super excited about this. Like, I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to show you guys this in my empties at the end of January because I know I will be able to. So yeah, really stoked about this one. I chose this guy for the category a product you wouldn't repurchase, and I think I chose it just because I hadn't really been reaching for it at that time. I still don't think I would repurchase it because it's kind of an extra step, but I really have fallen in love with this product. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Aphrodisiac, and I have finally found a way that I just absolutely adore this product. I have been using it to warm up my complexion before putting on my foundation because I saw Samantha Ravindal do that in a like reverse foundation routine video, and I really like it for that. But that all aside, I have to share with you guys my progress too. This is how much product I have remaining in here. I did repress it after last update, so it was like totally smoothed over in the pan. And I think I might do that again just because it's so much harder to get to the product on the edges than it is in the center. But I did re-hit pan. This is definitely moving along. However, the goal of finishing it up within the project might not be attainable. I don't really know. I definitely feel like I won't be able to actually like finish this product within this project, but I am really looking forward to seeing how much progress I can make in the next 2 months. This next item I selected for the category an underrated product. This is the Mellow Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Nude. It's a beautiful everyday kind of shade for me. It leans a little bit more cool tone, but I have been really liking it on an everyday basis. And I am wearing it actually as a blush today for the very first time, and I really, really like the way that it looks as a blush. My goal with this is to finish up about half of what I had at the beginning of this project, and I'll show you guys my markings in my notebook. I'm approaching that line. I think if I kind of use this a little bit more this next month, then I can actually probably reach that goal. But I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it. I might actually end up pushing it through to the end of the project and finishing it by then. I might actually just end up surpassing that goal if I just keep working on this at the same rate that I've been using it. I guess we'll just see how the next couple months go. So I don't necessarily think that I'm going to increase my usage over the next month to be able to hit that goal. But if I keep using it at the same consistency that I have been using it over the past 2 months, I'll definitely be able to surpass my goal of using up half. And I think I would be so happy to see that kind of progress out of this product. So I'm really certain with that product, and I know that I'm gonna be able to hit my goal. This next product, not at all. This product is the one that I selected for a limited edition item, and you guys know that I had like no progress in the first update. Well, it's basically the same thing this time around too. This is the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Bash, and I will admit that I've used this a handful more times than I did for the first month of this project, but not near enough to reach my goal of basically just making it look like this product is used. I don't know what it is. I think it's the sparkle in this, and that I don't know, I just don't want to use it. Like, even when I have the Mellow lipstick on, this pairs so nicely on top of it, but I just don't feel the desire to use this. I like Project Pan products that I'm trying to discover ways to use it, or I really want to get it used up and it's something that I enjoy using. Something like this, it just isn't enjoyable to me. But that being said, I really do want to work on this because I bought all 3 of the lipsticks or lip glosses from this like anniversary collection from Colourpop. So it's not like this is the only product in this category. I actually have 2 others that are like shimmery lip glosses like this, and I don't want to let them go bad. So I really wanted to use this one to kind of introduce that sort of trend into my lifestyle, and it just hasn't happened. So I am going to make a really serious effort to use this over the next month, and if I don't fall in love with it and if I don't enjoy using it, then I am going to just declutter it at that point, and I'll probably just declutter the other 2 from this collection as well, which is kind of disappointing. Then I give it 1 more month. Hopefully I can fall in love with this. Hopefully I can find maybe another lip pairing that I really like with this one. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know what it is about it. It's just an easy lip gloss. Like, I'll do a swatch of it. It really isn't anything too crazy, but there's just something about it that I just don't love. My end goal is either to make visible progress or to decide whether I'm gonna declutter it or not at this point. And the final item that is currently in this project was a hair care item. This is the Lavender Mint Conditioning Leave-In Spray from Paul Mitchell, and I have made more progress than I did last month. The line has moved down probably just over 1 centimeter. I don't even know if you'll see it there. My goal with this is just to use it. I don't have like an end goal, but I'm so happy that I have been making progress on this. The fact that I've used up like probably an inch worth of product over the last 2 months is huge, because I just wasn't reaching for this, and it is a really nice treatment kind of leave-in conditioner product. It doesn't leave my hair feeling heavy or weighed down, but it really does nourish the hair, and it is really, really nice. I love the fragrance of it. I love the way it feels in my hair. It never really gets like crunchy or too built up either. I just wasn't using it. So I am really happy that one product in this project is something that I'm just kind of reintroducing back into my routine, and I am getting really good use out of without having an end goal. Like I said, because I am so close to done with this Essence blush, I am gonna select the next product that I'll focus on once that one is done. So I have actually eliminated the 6 categories that I had originally gone through from the spreadsheet. So I just copied everything over and deleted all of those categories. So now I'm down to 44 categories versus 50. And I'm gonna generate one number from 1 to 44. And I got the number 16. So my order is gonna be different than a lot of yours now that I have reduced the spreadsheet down. But I got the category 16, which I don't know if I have anything for this. This is going to be interesting. I'm going to go look through my collection. I'll be right back to share with you guys what that category is and what I chose. Okay, so I'm back and I have chosen the product for the category that I just selected. The category was a product you've used up before. And I have a handful of those kinds of things in my collection. I have my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I have repurchased that one. I have a Physicians Formula butter bronzer. I have mascaras that I've used up in the past, but I didn't really want to focus on any of those products just because they are newer and I go through mascaras naturally anyway. So I opted for something that I've gone through 2 minis of. So I have used up a different size of it in the past. I went for this Smashbox primer water. I have gone through 2 of the like Beauty on the Fly like minis of them. I do think that I can make really great progress on this over the next 2 months. Of course, I'm not going to try to finish it. That's just like unreasonable for me to even set myself a goal like that. And it's just kind of wasteful too. But I'm up to this point. I have been reaching for this actually a lot recently. I have just been loving the way that it makes my skin look and feel without getting too like heavy. I really do like this. So I'm just gonna work on making natural progress with it, but making a point of reaching for this over other setting sprays. And I can't wait to see what my progress ends up being over the next 2 months. There's only 2 months left in this project, which is so sad. I can't even believe that we're already halfway through it. But I'm really excited to just kind of see where the next 2 months go for not only myself, but for everyone else. So definitely check out the playlist down below. Check out the hashtag on Instagram, hashtag Roulette Pan Collab, and go over and say hi to Alexi as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Thanks for participating in my project panning journey with me as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.